Hey everyone, want to create wireframes in Excalidraw? Excalidraw is a free, open-source online whiteboard that's perfect for designing website layouts, mobile app screens, dashboards, and user interface mockups. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create wireframes in Excalidraw in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Excalidraw website. You can start creating wireframes immediately without creating an account or installing any software. Next, draw the outline of your web page or mobile screen using the rectangle tool. This serves as the foundation for your wireframe and helps define the available screen space. Now add the main interface elements such as headers, navigation bars, buttons, text boxes, images, cards, sidebars, and forms. Simple shapes are usually enough to represent these components during the planning stage. Click the text tool and label each section of your wireframe. Clear labels help explain the purpose of each interface element before any visual design work begins. Use Excaladraw's alignment, duplication, grouping, and layering tools to organize your wireframe. Keeping elements evenly spaced creates a cleaner layout that's easier to review with your team. When your wireframe is complete, save the editable Excalidraw project file or export it as a PNG or SVG for sharing with teammates or clients. Exporting makes it easy to include your design in presentations and documentation. And that's how to create wireframes in Excalidraw in 2026. Whether you're planning a website, mobile app, dashboard, or software interface, Excalidraw provides a fast and flexible way to visualize your ideas before development begins. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.